Hello everyone. So in the previous section we discussed about the interface of Microsoft Excel, and before we go for the next things, go to Chrome browser and here you search interface of MS Excel. You found some images related to the interface of MS Excel, what we discussed in the last class, so that you will get an perfect clarity on that on the interface section. Okay. Now close it and go for the today's section. Open Microsoft Excel, and what we discussed today is what is Microsoft Excel. Right here, what is Microsoft Excel? Whenever you go for any interviews related to data profile, this one is the common asked question in every companies. If you go for any startups or any MNCs, this is the basic questions if you are go for any interview related to Microsoft Excel. If in the skills section is there written that skills required in Microsoft Excel, then you can expect this question from any interviewer. So what is the answer? Microsoft Excel is the first business intelligence tool. Okay. Microsoft Excel is the first business intelligence tool. It is an electronic spreadsheet. It is an electronic spreadsheet program that is okay. It is an electronic spreadsheet program that is used to record, calculate, and analyze the data. Okay. MS Excel is the first business intelligence tool. It is an electronic spreadsheet program that is used to record, calculate, and analyze the data. Whatever the data is recorded in MS Excel, then that recorded data will be calculated. From that calculated, we analyze the data so that it will help you better output to get into the better output. What professionals do is professionals use this BI tool. Professionals use this business intelligence tool to gather the data, make it meaningful information, okay, which helps to make better decisions, better business decisions. So if anyone asking you about in an interview, what is Microsoft Excel? So simply you can answer in the way like MS Excel is the first business intelligence tool. It is an electronic spreadsheet program that is used to record, calculate, and analyze the data. Professionals use this BI tool to gathering the data, make it meaningful information, which helps to make better business decisions. Now coming to the next question, what you can expect when you go for the interview, like what is spreadsheet? combinations of row and columns. Combination of rows and columns, you can say it called spreadsheet. Now it coming to the next part. What is rows and columns? Okay. Here you can see A, B, C, D. Like if you go around the same way, you can find uh, A, L. Okay, like you can go something. Then you can go for you find out here the A, Z, B, A, B, B sequentially. You can find the things. Similarly, here in the left side you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, similarly if you go downward, then you can find numbers are increasing. So the next question here is asking any you can expect and from an interviewer. They can ask you what is the number of rows and columns present in Microsoft Excel. Okay. So in the MS Excel, there are 16,384 columns. What are the columns? Like here is one column is here. N is one column. O is one column. P is one column. These are the examples for columns. Like that, if you go sequentially, you can find 16,384 columns available in Microsoft Excel. Similarly, 10 lakhs 48,576 rows are available. In the Microsoft Excel, when you go, there are 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows are available. So these are the basic theoretical interview questions you can expect from the interviewer if you go for any related post related to the data profiles. Okay, now coming to the next, how to gather data. Suppose I am here writing some data like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here you can see I put some data in the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. What we discuss about what is undo and what is redo. Like what is undo and redo. Here when I write 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, sequentially I put some data to the spreadsheet. Okay, and what undo means, here you can find an arrow mark is showing in the uh, left top corner. Okay, and in this showing that undo typing undo redo in O2 Control Z. It means you can just going to the back format or back to the whatever the task you perform to going backward. Just clicking on that, you can see 6 is erased, then 5 is deleted, then again click 4 is deleted. Similarly, what is redo? When you coming to this arrow mark, the deleted item will again come to the spreadsheet like 4, 5, 6. Okay, then I here mentioned undo and redo. It will be also come. Now we discuss about what is the shortcut for this undo. Either you can by clicking this arrow mark or you can simply press Ctrl J. Ctrl plus J. This is the shortcut for undo. Similarly, for redo, you can go for the shortcut. It's called Control plus Y. This one is for redo. As you can see here, also it's showing like the shortcut for the redo is Control plus Y, and for the redo, sorry, for the undo, it's showing Control Z. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you understand the all the theoretical part and the data, how to put data and in the spreadsheet, how to move forward and backward whatever we data put and just in the spreadsheet. So in coming videos we will discuss more about that. Do one thing, just don't watch this. Before you watching and while you are watching this, sit with a pen and paper and make a note so that it will help you in the end, okay, when you go for the interviews for the Microsoft Excel. So okay, thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe, and see you in the next class. Okay.